When you're driving down the road and you see a big toad, you know he's gonna hop and you're gonna stop. So calm your hands and your feet and sit in your seat and buckle up for safety. Buckle up, do 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 do. Buckle up for safety. Buckle up, do 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 do. And we got two more. When you're driving down the street and you see a big treat, you know you want to stop 'cause it's something sweet. But calm your tummy and your bummy and listen to your mummy. And buckle up for safety. Buckle up, do 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 do. Buckle up for safety. Buckle up, do 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 do. When you're driving down the highway and you want to do it my way, you drop a toy and you think, oh boy, you want to unbuckle but you'll get a knuckle. So, buckle up for safety. Buckle up, do 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 do. Buckle up for safety. Buckle up.
Is that it?